Finding the perfect stroller in 2025 isn't just about wheels and handles, it's about blending smart features with everyday comfort for both baby and parent. As technology continues to reshape parenting essentials, today's strollers are sleeker, safer, and smarter than ever before. Whether you're a tech-savvy parent looking for AI-assisted navigation or simply want a smooth ride with modern conveniences, this guide to the best strollers for smart babies in 2025 will help you roll into the future with confidence. Number 1. The Baby Trend Range Jogger combines all the comfort and convenient features for active families. With all-terrain composite wheels, this jogger provides excellent maneuverability and stability. The locking swivel wheel allows you to lock the front wheel in place when jogging and unlock it for easy low-speed strolling. 2 deep cup holders and covered compartment are handy additions for parents. The seat includes 5-point harness with padded covers to secure your child in place and expandable 3-tiered canopy to protect from harmful sun exposure. When resting, park the jogger with the foot-activated, dual rear brakes. Effortless trigger fold easily reduces this jogger to compact size for storage and portability. Create a travel system by adding a Baby Trend infant car seat, sold separately. Number 2. The Baby Trend Expedition Jogger is designed with style and security for you and your child. It has a parent tray with 2 cup holders and covered storage compartment and an extra-wide ergonomically shaped rubber grip for comfortable handling. The child's tray has 2 cup holders to keep beverages and snacks handy and also accept Baby Trend Easy Lift infant car seats to make into a travel system. The jogger also includes a 5-point harness and a rotating canopy with visor that can be adjusted to shield your child from the elements. It has a convenient storage basket under the seat, offering ample space to carry feeding bottles or other baby essentials. The stroller easily folds into a compact unit for easy storage. Its front wheel swivels for easy maneuvering. The wheel can also be locked to offer inline performance. Number 3. The Baby Trend Sit-In Stand 5-in-1 Shopper Plus Stroller is perfect for your growing family. With the new compact and streamlined frame, our Sit-In Stand 5-in-1 Shopper Stroller has 5 modes of use: 1. Car Seat Travel System Mode, 2. Car Seat in the front seat with sibling on platform, 3. Child in the stroller seat only, 4. Child in the stroller seat with sibling sitting on bench, and 5. Child in the stroller seat with sibling standing. The front and back seats can hold kids up to 50 pounds each. Sit-In Stand 5-in-1 Shopper Plus offers ultimate storage solutions with its included bench tote and Magnatech basket. The bench tote can be easily attached to the shopper's bench for extra storage, or it can be used separately as a shopping tote. Designed with mesh siding, easy grip handle and perfect size, it holds 20 pounds of your strolling necessities or groceries. With the innovative Magnatech basket, parents can open and close the basket very quickly with the help of strong magnets to hold the basket closed. This practical extra-large basket and tote together can hold up to 50 pounds of parents' essentials. Number 4. Keep things light for your family's everyday adventures with the number 1 umbrella stroller, the Summer by Ingenuity 3 Mini Convenience Stroller. Weighing in at just 11 pounds, this lightweight stroller has thousands of 5-star reviews and is a parent must-have for quick trips or long vacations. The stroller features an easy-to-fold compact frame that makes it easy to stow and go. Little ones will feel comfortable and secure thanks to a full-size padded seat with a multi-position recline, a 5-point safety harness, and a pop-out sun visor that helps protect their delicate skin. Parents will enjoy 2 cup holders, a convenient storage pouch, an easy-to-access storage basket, cushion handles, and lockable rear wheels for safety. Take your tot for a super smooth ride thanks to anti-shock front wheels. Maximum weight for toddlers is 45 pounds. Whether you're taking a spin around the neighborhood or strolling through the airport, the 3 Mini is the perfect travel stroller for travel or every day. Third-party safety tested and approved. Number 5. Always on the go? Baby Trend has you covered. The Rocket Plus lightweight stroller is equipped with an ultra-lightweight frame that offers easy strolling and effortless mobility when on the go. This stroller includes a canopy and visor to protect your child from the sun, as well as a 5-point harness to keep them safe and comfortable. Not only will baby be comfy, you will experience comfort as well with the soft grip handles, and convenience with the parent organizer and cup holders for easy accessibility to your on-the-go essentials. For even more convenience when your hands are full, this stroller includes a large storage basket for all of your traveling necessities. The Rocket Plus is equipped with dual rear brakes that are foot activated and allows for stability and safety while out and about. This stroller offers a lightweight and compact fold for hassle-free travel or storage when not in use. Thank you for watching the video. Helpful, please hit this subscribe button, press the bell. Check out the description to find the product link.